Hi there, students. Passe, passe. This is an adjective. It means that something is behind the times. It's outmoded. It's gone out of fashion. So, I don't know, mini skirts were very fashionable in the 60s, but nowadays they're rather passe. Yeah. If you use this word passe, you're being disapproving. You're saying it's old-fashioned. It's outdated. It's not the latest thing. Yeah. So I guess music comes into fashion and then it goes out of date. It becomes passe. The dress she was wearing at the party was very passe, out of date. His ideas are so passe. Yeah, they're no longer in fashion. It's yesterday's model, if you like. So yeah, his style of dressing is very passe. This type of food was very popular for a while, but now it's becoming rather passe. Okay, it's something that is no longer current. It's no longer in fashion. I guess you could also use this adjective passe to talk about something that's past its prime. It's a bit aged. It's a bit worn and faded. Yeah, so if you look at me, I'm a bit passe nowadays in both senses of the word. But let's see, we use this word passe to say something that's no longer in style. Yeah, it's outworn its welcome. It's obsolete. Yeah, it's unfashionable. It's no longer the in thing. Yeah, these seem rather passe nowadays. So I don't know. Something that is passe is something that is no longer fashionable. So this game used to be really popular among the kids, but it's now rather passe. The style of music he listens to is really rather passe. It's antiquated. It's dated. Yeah, it's outmoded. It's a bit prehistoric. Yeah, maybe it needs to be superannuated. You should write in a more modern literary style because the style that you use is rather passe. Yeah, this band was incredibly popular in the 80s, but now they're rather passe. So notice very often with this word passe, I'm using rather, quite, a bit. I'm trying to modify it and make it less rude. But if you say something's passe, you're not being very complimentary about it, to say the least. Okay, so something that's passe. This word comes directly from French, from passe, meaning from the verb passer, to pass. So it's past. It's past its prime. It's no longer good. And then passe. How formal is this? I think I'd give it a 4.5 in formality. I think you can use this as in an informal conversation, but I think in a posh or a middle class context, I would be careful about using this word down the pub. I suppose you could use it a semi-formal conversation or an informal posh conversation or a semi-formal writing. I don't think I would use it in anything very formal though. I think maybe it's probably a bit passe to use in something very formal. Okay, so, well, I hope my old videos never become passe, but I had a look at some of them recently and they are becoming a little bit. Anyway, enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Passe.